Okay, so first I'll be identifying the client's identity. So, good day ma'am, I am Amber Marcelo, your assigned student nurse for today. May I know your name po?
Mayat Georgie Bagan.
Your birthday?
April 13, 2004.
Can I check your ID band for confirmation? Next, I'm gonna verify the doctor's order for hot compress, including the site, the temperature, and the duration of the compress. Next, I'll check the patient's chart for any contraindications and medical history such as impaired sensation, circulation problems, or any heat allergy. Next, I'm gonna assess the patient's affected area for redness, swelling, skin condition, and temperature. Ma'am, may I check your arm po? Okay. If there's any wound in the patient's hand, arm, I will inspect for its size, color, drainage, and tenderness. Next, I'm gonna assess the patient's understanding of the procedure. So, ma'am, do you understand po why we are applying hot compress to affected areas na?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, next, I'm gonna assess the patient's vital signs and mobility. So, ma'am, I'm gonna check your vital signs. Are you able to move comfortably naman po?
Yes.
Okay. Next, I'm gonna identify the expected outcomes of the procedure. So the expected outcomes is to relieve the patient's pain, improve the circulation, and increase the patient's comfort. Next, I'll gather all of the equipment needed in the bedside within my reach. Then next, I'm gonna explain the procedures to the patient. So, ma'am, I'm gonna apply a hot compress po to relieve the pain or the discomfort on your affected area. Is that okay with you? Okay. Next, I'm gonna describe the sensations that the patient may feel during the procedure. So, since this is a hot compress, you may feel a bit warm. So if there is any discomfort, please tell me and I will stop the procedure immediately. Okay, so next I'm gonna provide the patient privacy. Then I'm gonna position the patient and expose only the affected area. Please lay flat po. I'm gonna expose your arm. Then, next I'm gonna perform hand hygiene and put on my clean gloves. Next, I'm gonna place a waterproof pad or a towel underneath the patient's affected area to protect the bedding. Place ko na po. Next, I'm gonna apply the warm compress gently on the affected area of the patient's skin. Then, if the patient experiences any pain or excessive heat or discomfort, I will stop the procedure immediately. Next, after the procedure, I'll reassess and monitor the skin's condition and effectiveness of the treatment and the patient's comfort. So, ma'am, do you feel comfortable right now? Is the affected area still painful, or do you feel any discomfort? Okay, then next, I'm gonna obtain the patient's vital signs. I will reassess their vital signs and compare it with the baseline. Next, I'm gonna check the patient. I'm gonna check for any adverse effects such as redness, burns, or if the patient's pain increases. Then I'm gonna document the procedure, the patient's response to the treatment, and I'm gonna report any significant findings such as abnormalities to the attending physician. Then I'm gonna remove my gloves and perform hand hygiene.